We're going to learn how to save an image to our computer and bring it up on PowerPoint to insert it into a PowerPoint presentation. So first you find the image you want on Google and you right-click it and you go down to Save Image As. We're going to save it to our desktop and we're going to name it whatever we want. So we're going to name this The Wanderer. Hit Save. Come over to PowerPoint app. And when you're on the page that you want on your PowerPoint, the slide, come over to Insert, Pictures, and it'll bring up this page. And then you come over to Desktop, where we saved it. We hit the image, and here it is in our PowerPoint presentation.